Hey guys, so if you've seen some of my recent vlogs, I basically overhauled this room. We had a new lick of paint and this awesome light that I installed. It's really cool because it sort of listens for my personal finger click. Let's see if it works. So all jokes aside, over the many years that we've been making TechFlow videos, one of the most important and invaluable shots is the top down. You can see it with phones and devices that we've used in the past. And since we've been in this new office, we haven't had anywhere to record these top down shots. And this is what this room is going to be for. The legs that I'm currently sat on are motorized legs and they've never ever let me down. As you can see, I'm currently going up. I've got a 40-inch screen behind me, KRK on the desk. This is a wooden reclaimed desktop, very heavy, and it supports me absolutely fine. Okay, so probably half an hour later, if that, the desk is built. This thing is an absolute beast. A few of my findings whilst we've been building it, it's got 4 motors, whereas my previous desk, which lifted me up, had 2 motors. Obviously there's a lot of wires involved. They give you this cable tidy sort of mechanism. When I unboxed this, thought, no, not gonna use that. I'll do my own cable tidy stuff. Turns out this thing is actually really, really cool and it's hidden all the cables really well. Now, if you are after something like this, I'll put all the links down there in the description for you guys. And if you do want to save yourself some money from the 28th of August to the 1st of September, there's 50% off site-wide. Is it?
Yeah.
Which then gets you, I think, £200 off this model specifically. 28th, 31st and on the 1st after 10 AM. If you are within the first 7 orders, your entire order will be completely refunded. Like, you will get the desk completely for free. So make of that what you will. I'll put the links in the description. Right, I'm pretty sure I'm about to be outdone by a desk. Let's see how tall this thing can go. Wow, that is a serious bit of kit. This looks awesome. It's the perfect size because we've made one change. So as you'll have seen, we built the desk top in its entirety with the 2 edges on it. What we've done is taken it back out because it was slightly too big and just taken off one of these sides. So this is now square and this side has the nice rounded edge on it and it fits perfectly in this corner for our top down set. Now that is really, really, really cool. That is unreal. It's all about timing is the only thing I can really say. So obviously we've got our main camera which we're shooting with now, but then if we're shooting A-roll talking head like this and then we want to quickly get a top-down shot, it's really, really, really good for time saving if something like this is already set up. It's basically pull up, turn the camera on, click record, place your item there, and off you go. You're literally rolling. Now, we were really excited about the standing desk for this top-down set because previously we didn't have a standing desk. Therefore, if you wanted to get the camera closer or further away from the actual surface or the product on the surface, you'd have to move around the camera and it was a bit of a farce. Whereas with this, if you want the product closer or further away, it's as simple as just clicking a button or choosing one of the presets and then the desk will just go ahead and do it for you, which is bonkers. So over the moon with it. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is really, really comfy. So Flexispot, as well as making desks, make chairs and have sent this out and it is, yeah, this is quality. Whoa, it rolls on the hard floor. So, I don't think necessarily this chair is going to be used for the top-down set. Maybe if there was 2 of us here doing some stuff, somebody can sit down, look at the monitor, see what the crack is. I mean, to be fair, it's actually all right, you know. However, This is that comfy, I would kind of like to use it at my desk. Because at the moment, I'm using these and they've got zero back support. Okay, so guys, here we are. I got myself out to IKEA yesterday and picked up this unit here, which is the Boar. There was this shelving unit as well, which looks absolutely awesome, matching in here with the black paint theme. The only thing that's not been done is the floor, but I'm kind of liking this rustic look for now. So my plan with this side of the room, obviously this is the top-down stuff. This is going to be for sort of storage. Cameras, equipment, lenses, charging stations, gimbals, drones, anything camera related needs to be in here because I am forever losing my equipment. And also I have a lot of friends that borrow things from me and tend not to return them. Elliot, I hope you're watching. So hopefully with some organization in here, I can make sure that all the equipment is where it needs to be. Now, let's sort some work surface power. So the sockets up here were a big deal for me because I am charging all of my stuff in different places all the time. At the moment, everything is on the floor in the conservatory. I keep tripping up on it. There's not enough cables. It looks like a mess. So all of this has been done to try and make things easier. Now, I've got my label maker out and I've started to make a couple of labels. We've got audio here and big cameras, and everything that's going to be on top here is simply going to be on charge. If it's not on charge, it needs to be in its place. The whole point of this little room was to try and make things easier, whether it's trying to find gear, charge gear, configure gear, or even get top-down shots. It wants to be really, really simple. But there's still a fair amount to do. I'm gonna turn off this camera, guys, because I am knackered now. I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna do a vlog, a tour of the entire thing. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.